You've got a big presentation tomorrow, and of course, your skin decides to throw a tantrum. Sound familiar? Here's what's actually happening inside your body. When you're stressed, your body pumps out cortisol, your stress hormone. This little troublemaker does three things to your skin. It cranks up oil production, triggers inflammation, and slows down your skin's natural healing process. So you end up with breakouts, redness, and that dull, tired look, right when you need to look your best. But here's how to fight back. First, stick to a gentle skincare routine. No harsh scrubbing when you're already inflamed. Second, manage that stress with deep breathing. Even just 5 minutes a day makes a difference. Get your sleep, your skin repairs itself overnight, and cortisol levels drop when you're well rested. And here's a pro tip. Keep your hands off your face. Stress makes us touch and pick at our skin more, which only makes things worse. Your skin is basically a mirror of your internal state. Treat the stress, and your skin will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more skincare science. Drop a comment with your biggest skincare question. I read every single one.